my WeldTube family? Check it out. Today we got a very special video for you guys. We're here at Columbus High School, Columbus, Texas, which is roughly about 2 hours away east of Houston. And we're here for the annual high school welding competition. This is part of the Texas High School Welding Series. It's gonna be a blast. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it.
Alright guys, so we're here at Columbus, Texas, Columbus High School. Here at the competition. I think my favorite part is the level 3 masters, which is 6G, MIG, and flux. And there's actually being X-rayed. Those are, I think, the top final test, right?
And don't forget, we also brought out a rig. We let some of these high school students go downhill on a 12-inch pipe. And man, there was a lot of talent, man.
There's a lot of talent.
Actually, I was pretty surprised. I was not doing that when I was in high school. So
yeah, and on that note, man, it's a blessing that these kids, they start off young. You know, I started a little bit later now, but these guys are starting fresh. They're in high school, 17, 16. They're getting their feet in the door young, man. So that's a really good thing in my opinion. Yeah, some of them are even freshmen and sophomores, man. So they're getting a really early jump start to the welding. And by the time they get to seniors, maybe even go to a trade school, they're gonna be really good at that. They're gonna pick it up quick. It won't be a problem for them to find a job or to pass that test to get into a job.
The Texas High School Welding Series is a good thing for our kids because it gives them a real-world experience at preparing for weld tests and at the same time competing.
Overall, I think this series is a great thing for these kids. They get a chance to come out here, compete with other kids of the same skill level, and just get to show off what they learned in class.
Oh, the experience is all around amazing. All the staff are cool, all the sponsors are cool, even the awards are amazing. No, I'd recommend to anyone that likes welding to come out to these things.
So on this side over here, we have the fabricators, right? So the contest here, what they're doing a fire pit, as you can see. I believe is a team of 3. And it takes a lot of skill and technique to do something like that. It's not that easy. So they're all working here together. I know they're gonna do great. These kids are wonderful. They're very talented. I wish them the best of luck.
My name's Ryan Dillon. I work with Akron Inspection. Our team's here today to do the x-ray on the welds for the kids. Our job is to give the judges not only an observation of what's on the outside of the welds they can visually see, but also what the welds look like on the inside, whether it's porosity, cracks, slag, non-fusion, whatever indications you could find in this type of welding.
Full tuition scholarship, and this scholarship is to South Coast Welding, and this one is going to Alec Hernandez. All right, first place today is receiving a full scholarship to South Coast Welding Academy. This is the first custom hood from Outlaw Leather, hand painted, custom punched. There's not another one like it. In first place, the scholarship, the hood, the bag, the trophy from Fayetteville, Carlos Vera.
Hopefully I'm gonna take that scholarship I won from the first competition from South Coast. So I'm probably gonna go there and then see where it takes me.